Good morning. For our form drawing today, we are going to do things a little differently. So please pay very careful attention to the video, and I will guide you every step of the way. So before you start your actual work, I want you to do these steps with a small version of it on your paper and just keep doodling it until you get it right before you turn your paper over and do the actual thing after you've done some practice already. So first, we are going to start with our yellow pencil, and you're going to make a straight line down the middle of our paper. After that, you're going to take a light color of your choice, the first light color of your choice, and you are going to imagine a rectangle with the yellow line in the middle. And then you are going to place the dots that are the four corners of that rectangle. And we're going to try and mirror the placement of the dots so that the spaces are equal. After that, you are going to place a dot in the middle of your yellow line and try to move your pencil until the line above the dot and below the dot are the same length. And then you're going to place another dot in the middle of that dot and the top of the line, and another dot in the middle of the middle line and the bottom line. Alright, you can pause here and play again when you're ready. So we are now going to place our first line. I want you to look carefully at what we are about to do. So we are going to start at the top of the yellow line, and the final destination of the first line will be the dot over here, but because we are making a point, you are actually going to aim a little bit off before you turn. And then you turn, and it's like a straight line, this part. And then you're going to do the same here, but then you're going to aim for this dot over here. First dot from the bottom. That way, you are making a spade at the corner. From here, you're going to aim for this dot, but you are not going to reach it. You're going to make a curved line under it to go to the second dot over here. Go towards it, stop under, turn, and reach the middle dot. And then, you're going to mirror this over here. And you are going to make a curved line inside this spade. Then you're going to reach the next dot before going to make the spade for this dot. And then go back down and finally reach the bottom dot. So I will move the line again and try to trace it with your finger with me. If you can, try not to stop here in the middle and instead make a smooth line going through the knots. Okay. Next, we are going to mirror this shape. We are going to start once again from the top, going to the dot to make a point, and then we're going to go to the line at the first dot to meet the other line. Then we're going to make a curve under the dot over here to go to the middle line here. Then we're going to make a curved line under this dot, and then go to this third line in the middle over here before we go to the point, and then you will end up at the bottom just like earlier. So try to move your finger with me, or if you have the little version, you can do it as I do it. Alright, now we can strengthen that line again. You can pause here and play again when you're ready. Now, you probably can see two heart shapes, one upside down and one right side up. So you can use the same color or pick another light color to fill in one of the hearts. Next, you're going to do the same for the second heart, but you're going to switch to a different color. And you're going to allow the two colors to blend in the boxes where they cross. Alright, now after doing that, you should be able to see the boxes where the two lines cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 boxes where they cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so you can pause here and play again when you're ready. So I'm going to outline the form with dark blue, and I will use this for the blue heart. And the way we do it here is not as simple as just going under and over every time you see a line. You are actually going to treat the whole chunky line as one unit. So for example, here in this crossing, that's where you will decide to go over or under. Everywhere else, you will always show the outline. So I'll just show you. Okay, so we will start with this middle part, and this middle part shows up because it is not covered by the other heart. So we're going to outline it, and it will stop here, and here we will decide that this yellow line is going over the blue heart. So we will start here, and now this is the next deciding point where we will go over or under. So on the previous box we went under, so on this box we will go over, and on here we still go over because nothing is on top of it. Now here's another green box, so we decide again. So because we went under here and over here, then we will go under here. So we will create this tip, but over here it's already hidden, so we will go straight to this line over here. So under, over. You see? Now it's another green box, so this is where we will go under. And the last green box where we will go over because we went under here and we are going under here as well. So this one is over. Now you can shade this now. You can shade the line now, or you can wait until later. So you can pause here and play again when you're ready. Be very careful. Look at the blended boxes. Okay, go ahead. For my yellow heart, I want to use the color red for the outline. So I will start here at the top, and I can see that this is going over. So I will start here and go over and stop before the next green box. And this is the partner line of it. This is going under, so I will not outline this. This is just one straight line, then one corner. Now I'm going under, then I'm going over here. Now I am going to do this line as well, because nothing is on top of it. So because I went over here in this green box, and for the next green box I am going under. Then I went over here again in the last green box before the final one, which goes under. Oh, so do you get it? Every time you see a box that's blended with the two colors you picked, and those are the boxes where you have to recall the pattern if you're going over or under. So after you do the outline, then you can shade a little bit. And your shading should also stop when it goes under. And then you're going to shade the other color. And there is your form. As you can see, because we made them a bit transparent and it looks a bit like glass, but it still looks very clearly that it went over and under on the intersections. Enjoy! Thank you!